All right, it's about 30.5 inches. All right, 31 inches long. All right. Now let's see the side angle. It's about close to 19.5. So not that bad. I'm just gonna see it. It's gonna go perfect in the bathroom. All right, let's take a look at the material itself on the rug. If you guys can see it, a nice little rug. We're gonna put it down, replace the old one here. So far the material is very soft and waterproof already. We've been using it. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's been on for a couple days just so I can make sure it works. And I think we can say goodbye to that one already. So let's go ahead and replace it. There you go. So if you're going to get a new rug and match it up with your bathroom, they have many designs, other rugs you can find, but look at this one. Beautiful little flower that you have in there. So if you get any wetness in there, you don't have to worry about it. This is pretty good, pretty handy. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.